Hello friends, so welcome back to another vlog. It is Tuesday today and it is almost 8 a.m. I didn't talk to you earlier this morning, but I had a PT session at 6 a.m. and then at 7 I just headed down to Zaraffas and got a coffee, and I just planned all of my Instagram posts for the next 2 weeks, I think. So I like saved them all as drafts, so like the caption's done, all the tagging is done. So now I just have to like set reminders on my phone to actually post them. Rachel, Georgia and I did a little mini content shoot this Sunday just gone, and I find that when I have a lot of photos to post, I either forget to post them or I post them all at once. So planning them out like that and then setting reminders on my phone to post them when I need to post them is very helpful. So that's what I spent about 45 minutes doing this morning, and I feel really good about. But I just popped home and I'm just sitting on the couch for a quick second. We actually have a technician from Telstra coming to our house today to fix up our internet modem. If you have watched the past 2 or 3 vlogs, you would know we're having a big muck around with Telstra for our internet. It has been the most frustrating thing, and I feel so bad because I'm the one that set it up and it's all gone wrong, and I've tried to do everything in my power to make it work and it's just not. I really hope that when the technician comes today, he can just fix it. I just have a really bad feeling that he's gonna look at the modem and be like, oh, it's a faulty modem, we're gonna have to order you a new one, and then it's gonna be on back order for like a month. I just have a really bad feeling about it, but surely nothing else can go wrong. But the time frame they gave us was from 8 till 12, so it's a long period of time. But Rachel's just popped out to go grocery shopping, and I feel like I need to have a shower before I can do anything with my day, but I don't want to be in the shower when the guy comes, so I'm just gonna sit on the couch and do a little bit more YouTube work, like emails and stuff, and then when Rachel gets home, I'll jump in the shower, get ready for work, live my best life. But then I have work from 10:30 until 6, and then I have family dinner after work as well. So that's my plan for my Tuesday. I'm gonna sit on the couch and open Georgia Woodford and Amy's Snapchats because I love my bezies, and continue on with my morning. It's now almost 10:30 and I made it to work. I really didn't want to leave the house today. I just like spent the morning doing Instagram stuff. I was emailing a bunch of companies. I was editing a vlog, and I just wanted to just stay home all day and do YouTube work. But that doesn't pay the bills yet, so I need to go to work. Working my 7 hours and then I can go home. Actually, not go home. I'm gonna go to my family's house and have dinner with them. It is Tuesday morning and it is currently 10 to 6 a.m. and I'm about to head off to PT. I don't know why, but I've woken up this morning feeling so exhausted. I had work yesterday and then I went to the gym with Rachel at like 7 p.m. and I got to bed at like maybe 10 p.m. But like that's not like super duper late, so I don't know why, but my body and my brain just feels so exhausted. But we're going to PT this morning. Then I'm gonna go work out. I've also packed my coffee cup so that I can go and get a coffee afterwards as well. And then I'll come home and I'll explain to you what the rest of my day is going to involve. I finished up at my PT session and I went and got a coffee, and I'm now at a car wash, and I'm just at like a self-serve car wash. I don't think that's what they're called. You know, just the places where you can like put in like gold coins and it just like you can use the hose and the brushes and the things. It's just very easy and way more convenient than getting all of the stuff out of your own home and doing it there. So I'm gonna really quickly give my car a wash on the outside and a quick vacuum. I've needed to wash my car for so long. It just gets dirty so quickly. I feel like washing your car is like the biggest waste of time, but it's something that you just have to do. So if you're looking for a sign to wash your car, this is it. It's now 12:30. I haven't chatted to you in a while, but while I was having my quiet time, a Telstra technician came and fixed our internet. Hallelujah, we finally have Wi-Fi in this house. Literally, this is the most frustrating thing. He said that the NBN line from the street hadn't been connected to the house, so if we had just got a Telstra technician out the first time that they said we don't have to, then this all would have been fixed, but instead they made it take 2 months. It's fine, it's whatever. I still need to make a couple of phone calls to them about my phone bill because obviously I didn't have internet, so I racked up a fair amount of money on my phone bill. So the whole Telstra dilemma isn't over yet, but for now it is good. That kind of like took up most of my morning. It kind of just like got me off track, but I've just been editing for the rest of the morning. I need to go have some lunch, and then Beck is coming over and hanging out with Rachel and I am so excited to see her. And then I really have no idea what my afternoon is going to entail. Hello.
Hi.
How was your morning?
It was alright.
I missed you.
I feel like it was the same as yours because
Yeah.
a bit, but
Lame.
out of your control sometimes.
Yeah.
Hello!
Welcome.
I come bearing presents. Go.
Oh my god.
You just said no.
Yes.
I love you guys. I love you. Bridesmaid squad.
As you kind of might have seen from that last clip, I don't really know what I got, but Beck came over and she asked Rachel and I to be her bridesmaids. She gave us the cutest little box. I can't say I do without you. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Mr. and Mrs. O'Connell. I'm so excited and just like honored, honestly. I love Beck so much and I'm just so excited to stand beside her. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. It's gonna be so fun. We just like spent the whole afternoon talking about her engagement party and just all the plans and all the fun things. Just very excited. So Beck, if you're watching, love you so much, but you already know. I just got home from family dinner. Sorry that I didn't vlog anything all afternoon, but my bed is a mess. I'm gonna quickly put all this away. I'm gonna pack my gym bag for tomorrow, get my outfit all ready, and then go to sleep because I'm so tired and I'm going to the gym at 5:30 tomorrow. So I will chat to you then. And apparently after the gym I filmed absolutely nothing else for the rest of the week. So sorry that this vlog had such an abrupt ending, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I'll catch you in my next video in the very near future. Bye!